Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to edit YouTube Shorts in CapCut step by step in 2025. It is perfect for beginners who want fast professional edits. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your CapCut application either in your desktop or in your mobile device. Over here, select the option of new project. After that, from your device, select that particular video clip which you want to edit. So once it is added or import over here, you can simply just drag and drop here in the timeline. After that, you will see the player section here in the left hand side. So over here, the first thing that you need to do is to simply choose the right format. Now for short, the format or the resolution is 9:16. So you can click over here, then make sure that it is selected as 9:16. Now since my video is in the landscape format, you can just use this slider in order to slide and adjust it something like this. Now over here, you can use the split tools in order to cut any of the unwanted part. You can also drag the clip around to arrange them in the right order. Once this step is done, go to the section of text here in the top. After that, click on this plus icon in order to add the text. Over here, you can type any of the text over here. After that, you can place this text here in the top. You can also use this slider in order to change the size of your font. You can also change the color of your font. You can make it something like this. Once you are okay with it, you can also add any effects or transitions. So over here, don't forget to add the audio as well. So the audio will come here in the bottom timeline. Here you can click on the option of transition and effects. Whichever you like, you can add on top of your video. Once you are done editing, simply click on this export option here in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, make sure that the resolution is 1080p. After that, click on the option of export. So now you can upload this particular YouTube Shorts on your YouTube channel and you are done. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.